Okay, so in this short video we're just going to look at how we link an image to somewhere else. Okay, so this is the same for images in a gallery or not. You click on the image. If it's in a gallery, just make sure you click on the image itself and not the gallery, because if you click on the gallery you get gallery information to change. If you click on the image the first time, you get gallery information to change. Click on it again. There we are. And now we've got image information. So we can type in here alt text. So alt text would be a description of the image if you can't see it, and that's to describe the image for SEO purposes. So for a computer looking at this. So it's worth putting alt text in. Then the human won't see that. Then you've got the caption. So captions, sometimes you put them in, sometimes you don't. And a caption is exactly that, captioning the image. Okay, I'm not going to put that in. But the other thing here is a link. And if you click on link, you can see you can click to a variety of different things. Now on this, it's gone to a product page for that particular item, which is a hair walking stick. But if you wanted it to go to the shop, you'd select standard page and then go to shop. And then it would be linked to the page shop on which there would be the hair as one of the items in the shop. Okay, so you can do either. So I will change that back to how it was. Product page, product, hair. But if you wanted to change it, you could click on that, click link, go to unlink what's there at the moment, go to standard page, and then select whatever page you want it to go to, which in this instance would be shop. Okay, so I hope that that makes some sense.